Hi, Dad.
Hello, son. Hey, son, you wanna jump?
Sure.
Let's bring it on. Now your turn.
Your turn, Elle.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, guys. How do you like my new look? It's so adorable. Isn't it, E?
Yes. Well, let's get some food.
Guys, are you okay?
Yes, we're okay. Whatever. Hey, who said that?
Nothing. Zero.
What? But entertainment text became alive.
Yes, and I'm here to make the logo even better.
That was so cool. Let's go back to the studio.
Oh ho 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 ho. Colombiana Television, how dare you destroy our studio? You know that costed money. That's it, you're grounded for 1 million centuries. Now go to your room.
Oh, the seesaw. Wee.
Dad, where are they?
They're hiding. Mind if I turn the light on?
Okay, sure thing.
Surprise!
Wow, I never realized.
Happy birthday, son.
Okay, guys. How do you like my new look?
For $100, which of the following is not a game show? Family Feud, The Price is Right, Seen It, or Wheel of Fortune?
I'm going to say C to final answer.
Correct for $100.
Hey Yugi. Sorry for bother you, because Aiden's TVO Kids Bloopers has been cancelled. Well, now today, I'm going to make TVO text live. So let's make it. Ready, begin. And now done, we have to wait until you see.
Hello everyone, we're here.
So how it going, guys? Nice to see you.
What about the line V? Well, when you start in Aiden's TVO Kids logo blooper again to make a new logo better. So do you like it? Yeah. Who does it like to the new logo better? Right, Kay?
I will, Lisa. Let's get all over to the Goes to Art House and then to see all of them too.
Aw man, I've been dying to see this new movie.
Yay, who doesn't love going to the movies?